Good morning. Welcome to Market Mashup, our weekly recap of financial markets and what we look forward to this upcoming week, which could impact the markets going forward. Finished the quarter end last week. Tough quarter for stocks. We had the Dow Jones down 4.6%, S&P 500 down 4.9%, and the Nasdaq down 9%. Now, while it was a negative quarter, it was considerably better and stronger than it was just 2 to 3 weeks prior when we saw returns at least twice the amount down than they ended up. So, had a little rally coming back through the last 2 weeks, which at least, took a little sting away from, investors' portfolio returns over the quarter. But there's a lot of time left this year, and there's going to definitely be a lot of events happening going forward. One thing we want to focus on, like we've talked about before, is the yield curve. And it's something that, we've been pointing out all year since we've been talking. Keep an eye on the yield curve. We now see it inverted where the 2-year Treasury is now higher than the 10-year Treasury. Something we want to focus on because usually this does not lead to a healthy market going forward. And a lot of times it predicts recession over the next 6 to 9 months. So there's a lot of pressure taking place right now in the markets. A lot of eyes watching the yield curve. A big drop between the spread of the 2 to the 10 over the last month and a half. And it's just causing a lot of concerns. The belief is that the Fed's going to raise rates 8 to 9, maybe even 10 times this year. And that's pushing up the shorter end, which is measured on the 2-year side. And then the 10 years still has doubts that we're going to have a strong economy. So that yield tends to be more in line with what's going on with the markets and the economy, whereas the Federal Reserve has more control on the shorter end. So we do see an inversion where the shorter end tends to be have higher rates of return than the longer end. It does tend to lead to some volatility. So we just have to keep an eye on it because there definitely is some concerns out there. We just want to, watch how the market reacts to it and how the economy reacts to it. Please look at our website. This is Financial Literacy Month in April. We've got a lot of nice things coming through to celebrate this month. Be on the lookout for it. We'll be posting throughout the month. Our website, www.gencapmgmt.com. We've got a lot of topics right now with financial planning, with the markets. Our blogs are up and running, a lot of videos in there, so a lot of good information, and we're happy to answer any questions. So feel free to reach out to us at any point in time. We look forward to, talking markets, talking financial plans, anything that you have in mind. Just feel free to reach out to us. You can email us right from the site. It's very user-friendly. Look forward to having a successful and prosperous second quarter now. I'm Scott Naska, President of Generation Capital Management, and this is Market Mashup.